Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today, let's learn reference vs specification explained in Tagalog, easy IT terms. Let's get started. Short introduction. Defining technical IT terms, reference and specification. In the world of computers and technology, we often use special words called technical terms. Two important terms are reference and specification. A reference is something you look at to help you understand or complete a task. In Tagalog, this is called sanggunian. A specification is the detailed information or requirements of a system, device, or project. In Tagalog, we can say mga technical na detalye or mga kailangan. Learning these terms helps students follow instructions, understand technology better, and communicate clearly in English and IT. Simple definitions. Number 1, reference. English meaning. Information or source you look at for help or guidance. Simple Tagalog. Sanggunian. Bagay o impormasyon na tinitingnan para makatulong o maging gabay. Easy explanation. Parang tinutularan o binabasihan mo para maintindihan ang isang bagay. Example, I used a website as my reference. Ginamit ko ang website bilang sanggunian. Number 2, specification. English meaning. Detailed description of how something should be made or work. Simple Tagalog. Detalye ng kailangan o katangian. Mga technical na detalye. Easy explanation. Ito ang kumplitong instructions o requirements ng isang bagay. Example, the phone's specifications include 8 GB RAM. Kasama sa detalye ng phone ang 8 GB RAM. Comparison, simple way. Term, Tagalog, easy idea. Reference, sanggunian. Tinitingnan para may guide. Specification, Tagalog, mga detalye. Easy idea, sinusunod na instructions. Short dialogue. A. What is your reference for this project? What is your reference for this project? B. I used a tutorial video as my sanggunian. I use a tutorial video as my sanggunian. A. What are the specifications? What are the specifications? The system needs 16 GB RAM and fast internet. The system needs 16 GB RAM and fast internet. Practice for students. Fill in the blank. Number 1, I used a book as my blank. Answer, I used a book as my reference. Number 2, the computer's blank includes storage and memory. Answer: the computer specifications include storage and memory. Quiz: reference versus specification. Part A, multiple choice. Number 1, what is a reference? A type of computer. B, a source of information or guide. C, a software program. Number 1, what is a reference? A type of computer. B, a source of information or guide. C, a software program. Answer is letter B. Reference is a source of information or guide. Number 2, what does specification mean? A story about a computer. B, a guide for emotions. C, detailed requirements or features. Number 2, what does specification mean? A story about a computer. B, a guide for emotions. C, detailed requirements or features. Answer is letter C. Specification means a detailed requirements or features. Number 3, which is an example of a reference? A YouTube tutorial. B, 16 GB RAM. C, fast processor. Number 3, which is an example of a reference? A YouTube tutorial. B, 16 GB RAM. C, fast processor. Answer is letter A YouTube tutorial. Number 4, which is an example of a specification? A dictionary. B, a website. C, 8 GB RAM. Number 4, which is an example of a specification? A dictionary. B, a website. C, 8 GB RAM. Answer is letter C, 8 GB RAM. Part B, fill in the blanks. Number 5, I used a book as my blank. Answer: I used a book as my reference. Number 6, the phone's blank include battery life and storage. Answer: the phone's specifications include battery life and storage. Number 7, a blank helps you understand what to do. Answer: a reference helps you understand what to do. Number 8, blank tell you the details of a product. Answer: specifications tell you the details of a product. Part C, match the columns. A, number 9, reference. 10, specification. B, A, mga detalye. B, sanggunian. Answer: reference means sanggunian. And specification is mga detalye. So, there you go guys. This video ends here about reference vs specification. Explained in Tagalog, easy IT terms. Thanks for watching.